to start with JS tool, you need to have a web browser, and in the web browser you type levis framvat.sggbook.pl, and you will have the tool itself in a browser. So let's start the work with the tool. Okay, so here you've got 3 buttons, and the first one, when you click it, you will have the Google Docs document with the methodology of valorization water retention needs. So you will need this manual for working on your own water retention project. And the same is with this document, which is the instruction for preparation of your own data, which you can use later for valorization in your catchment. Okay, so for starting the work, we will need the example data, which we download from the Google Drive of Framvat. Here is the file all input data in zip. So so here you've got all input data which are zipped. You click right on it and click download. It may take a few seconds, maybe minutes, depending on your internet connection. Okay, so you go to downloads and you have all input data file. You have to unzip it to the folder. Okay. And you find the folder you need. And here in the folder, you don't need to unzip any of the files. The GIS tool is designed to use the zipped files. So you only unzip the first file, and then you just don't care about the data, and you will just need to remember the path name of the downloaded data. Okay, so first of all, we need to show the program the special planning units. The special planning unit is the smallest unit of our zone we need. We choose water bodies, and here in the SPU folder we choose subcatchments. Okay, and here we've got the blue sign that upload is complete. In goals and indicators, you have all indicators we have developed for the tool. For this example, I will work only on the forest ratio indicator, which is very simple indicator showing the percent of the forest in the SPU area. Here we've got the sign that the indicator is ready for testing. When you click here on the right, you will have the description of the indicator together with the equation you used to count it. The forest ratio method, it's as I said, it's a simple indicator, and it works very similarly to tabulate intersection if in ArcGIS, if you are familiar with this program. Okay, so here for your analysis you can use other indicators in this step, and you can also read the description and think if you need this indicator or not. So the next step, when I choose only one indicator, I will have to upload only one file. So first of all, I'll check the box here, click Browse, and then I go back to my all input data folder and I will click the forest file. Okay, the upload is complete. In the indicators correlation matrix, we will have other indicator if we choose them, and if we choose the indicators which are highly correlated with each other, we can remove them in this step. It will be all described in the next exercises, which are in the PDFs. Okay, so when the indicator is counted by the program, we can go back to the first button with indicator values, click on it, and here we have got the percent of forest in each SPU area. So in the first 4 SPU areas there are no forest, and in the number 5 area we have got almost 10% of the forest. Okay, and the next step is the conversion and final aggregation method. So in this step we choose the number of classes. Let's say 5. Here we can arrange the class ranges if we want, and we have got also the unit of the indicator. As I said before, it is in percent. We can also assign the number of weight of the indicator, which make more sense if we use more than one indicator. And to let you know more about the tool, it is a tool for professionals, so you can think of your own catchment and assign different aggregation waves, so you will have the valorization you need in your case. So you actually, even though the tool is simple itself, you need to have background knowledge to use it wisely. Okay, so the last step is goal valorization result, and here you can again choose the number of classes which will be shown on the map. I will choose 5 classes, and here you have got map, with colors and class numbers. The tool is still in development, so we will probably add more things on the map, so you can click and have indicators value. So it will be still developed. And if you have got any ideas how to improve the tool, we are open to hear from you. And the last we can do with this analysis is to download report file in CSV, so we can open it in Excel and use for our own analysis later. Yep. So there are the same values I showed you before in the first step here. Okay, so here also I've got after creating map, we also have got the number of classes which are assigned to those values. So this is also valuable. Okay, so this is the end of this short tutorial, how to use GIS tool. The more complicated exercises are described in PDF, so you can do them now when you know how the tool looks like. And after completing the exercise, we will have the short quizzes for you. Okay, so thank you.